What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I hope you are too. If not, take this good ass energy, take it, everything. We're about to make a beat using a sample. Bro, the beat turned out really smooth, really fire. With this video, I just want to show you, like, sometimes I'm so locked in when making a video that I forget about talking to the camera and stuff like that. But I was also live streaming on my Instagram at Beats and going over some questions, etc. But besides that, I still wanted to upload this video because it's super fun to watch. The beat is super fire. Like, just listen to this. Like, I could definitely hear like Gunna or Young Thug on this, but like really smooth and ambient, sort of like a Wheezy vibe. But anyways, enjoy the video. I hope you learn from this and I hope you especially enjoy it. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and let's dive right into it. Let's get it. Got another camera right there. I'm actually shooting a video as we speak. It's recording. Yes, sir. We even got the, like, we can switch like this. Yes, that's cool, right? And we got another setup. Like lately what I've been doing as well as this, just like some rolls right here, like a lot, and then going down. Let me highlight this. It's a live tutorial right here, and then maybe two right here, and then stretch it out like this. He's like a counter melody. When you layer your kick and anyway, do you do anything to them? Good question. For sometimes what I'll do is when I have the 808 like this, for example, if I like, this beat doesn't need a kick, but for, let's say, this kick right here, let me add that in there, copy that over. What I usually do is, like right now the kick is not hitting, right? So what I'll do is reverse the polarity, and then based off of that I'll listen if it's hitting harder or not. Maybe this kick. And it also like depends on the type of samples you're using, like the type of drum samples you're using. But most of the time, like, yeah, I try to reverse the polarity sounds or just like use high quality. But the thing is, I know my drums, and I know with my drums, you just gotta fucking crank it the volume all the way up, and then EQ it, like not even EQing, but like reversing that polarity trick, or like using the right kick with the right 808 is really key. Just like, who do I hear on this beat? Probably Gunna, or like even New ATL. Making a lot of Clans Casino, to be honest, like those really ambient type of vibes. Yeah, I'd say that a lot of like ambient stuff, a lot of like dreamy, wavy stuff. That's like really my type of vibe at the end of the day. Like type shit like this. I think the beat is gone. That was really nice. Damn, that was fire. I love making this beat. It was a chill type of video, type of vibe. But the reason I made this video and recorded myself making this beat is like, I don't know, I can get in like a flow state when I'm making beats and not think and really just lock in. Like I had this moment in the studio like a lot where I'm like sitting and making beats and just focused, like really locked in on the beat or whatever I'm making, and people ask questions and I'm just like not responding, and I don't know, this is a lot of different sides to when it comes to making content and being a content creator. Usually when I make beats it's like I'm locked the fuck in, like but that is not to say that I'm never hyped when I'm making videos. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you